Hello everyone, I'm Aishwarya. I've been using AMC Cookware for about 10 years now. It's been really helpful in managing our health over a period of time. It comes with a lot of variety of pots which is useful for all cooking needs. Their newly upgraded version of app, which is known as Cook and Go, comes with a lot of features which is attached to it. So with this app, cooking becomes very much easy and it's very efficient. You can just manage everything with just one click on your phone. So the Audiotherm of the product gets directly connected with the app, and it gives you all the instructions step by step for the entire cooking process. So you can just manage the cooking, which guides you which pots to use, which ingredients to use, how much ingredients you have to use, and how much time the cooking does involve, and it gives you every instruction step by step for the entire cooking process. So I guess with this being included in the app, it becomes very easy for all the working women and who are struggling with working time and who are struggling with a lot of recipes at home. It becomes very easy for them because the app has a lot of step-by-step instructions, which is very much useful. I guess no other brand in the market has come up with this innovative app. I guess I'll have to thank AMC for that. It's really useful. And I'm very happy using this product, so thank you so much, AMC.